When it comes to planning your kitchen, there are a few key tips you should take into consideration. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Consider the space you have to work with and how you use your kitchen. When planning the layout of your kitchen, you should consider the working triangle. When it comes to functionality, internal wireware storage solutions are always on trend to ensure a future-proof design. When it comes to design, consider your cabinet configuration and the overall look of your kitchen. Do you want a combination of concealed and open shelving? If you have an island, think about creating more concealed storage by being smart with your base cabinets. When planning the design of your space, consider all the elements, even down to your handles. Do you want handles or a more streamlined handleless look? When considering your palette and material combinations, think about the aesthetics of your home and what complements this. If you're starting fresh, collect inspiration to help you navigate style options and land on a look and feel that speaks to you.